Game, some days, you have all the plans, but I think Rohit and Sat will play. But I think Rohit's inning actually take it away. So you should give the credit to Rohit actually. No, as in if you are looking at a team, we never look at an individual. So we had a plan for the whole team. Some days the plans click, sometimes the plan doesn't click. So today was a bad day, or maybe you call that we didn't bowl according to the plans. So credit to the opposing team because they played very well and they deserve to win the match. I was expecting Rijan, Kushal, they are doing exceptionally well. Except for today, I think Kushal has bowled the brilliant spells in his life and he's done a brilliant captainship. First time he's captaining. I think we have to just wait and be patient because still there are a few more games to go. And the way Kushal has come back as a captain, I think we have to just wait for 2 more games and then wait because Rijan is doing very well exceptionally. Kushal is doing exceptionally very well. Some of the local boys have been doing really good. Even Amar has been bowled that last over he did brilliant. He took 2 wickets in that match. So we just wait for those. That some of the days we will get bad days, but today maybe we didn't have hard days. So hopefully we have to wait and plan better maybe next time. It's been brilliant. I think looking at Ravi and Sohail, they've been very helpful on the ground. Even when Sharad was there, he made very helpful use to the captain. So that was the whole idea. And the way Kushal is coming up as a leader and then he's performing as well. So maybe today was not his day and 2 drop catches. So hopefully, next time we can make it up. Muscle spasm. I cannot be a doctor and change his muscle spasm. So if he's not fit enough, I cannot take a risk because youngster, they have a long life enough in the front. So, just for 1 game, I cannot risk his career. So that is being careful is such an important aspect for us also because there are a few more important games we are waiting for. So you know me well and Rohit is my personal student. So he comes to me in India. So I think it's the right question or what should I answer for you? I think everybody saw the inning. Do I have to really answer that? My perspective, seriously, I think he's number 1 on the scoreboard as a batsman. Right now, even having all the foreigners, before he came in today and today now after this score, he's actually going to be ahead of all the others. He's number 1 run scorer in the whole of Nepal League. So I think it's a big thing for Nepal Premier League where we spoke that a Nepal cricketer, if he's on the top of the list, I think there's nothing better than this.